Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So today we are going to start third chapter of your supplementary book, that is the Shepherd's Treasure. Treasure means a collection of valuable and important things such as gold, diamond, money, etc. So in today's video, I will share the summary of this chapter. So basically this chapter talks about the importance of human values like honesty, wisdom and humanity. These qualities are very important, or you can say necessary to be a gentle and respectful man. You will find it true when you learn this chapter, and you also will get to know that how a poor shepherd became a governor only because of his honesty, wisdom and humanity. So actually, once there was a shepherd lived in Iran. He was not educated, he did not know to read and write, but he was very clever and wise. He always helped people and gave them very valuable and effective suggestions and advices to face the problems and get rid of them. So this is how he became very famous, only because of his soft and helping nature and of course wisdom. People from far distance away come to him and get the solution of their problems and return with satisfaction. By this way, his popularity reached the king, so the king decided also to meet him, but not in a king look. It means while meeting the shepherd, the king did not like and want to open that he is the king. So one day the king took a shepherd's look and left to meet him. And when the king reached the shepherd, he welcomed him very warmly and offered him water and food. Then the king stayed with him that night, and the next morning the king thanked the shepherd for hospitality and his kindness which he showed for the king, and said that I have to go along, so I should leave now. Once again, thank you very much for everything what you did for me. So in reply, the shepherd said, Thank you, your majesty. It's my honor that you came to meet me. The king was very surprised because the shepherd recognized him in the shepherd's look also. So he was very happy because he found him the same as he heard about him, honest, kind, clever and wise. So the king made him a governor of a small district. But after being appointed as a governor, he remained the same as he was earlier, kind, helpful, honest. He took care of each individual, poor or rich, and won the people's heart with his kindness and wisdom. And in a very short period, he became very famous as an honest governor. So the other governors started feeling jealous of him. They started spreading rumors and false stories about him to damage his reputation. Some governors also reported to the king that the new governor is very dishonest and he used to keep a part of the tax and collect it into an iron box which he always carried with him. And they did not stop only with that. They continuously talking against that new governor to the king. So in the beginning, the king did not pay attention to these complaints, but he could not ignore those complaints for a long time. So he started an investigation and found one thing true, and that is chest. It means an iron box. So the king summoned that new governor to the palace, and when the shepherd entered the palace, he had that iron box with him. So seeing that iron box, the king got angry and asked in a thundering sound, "Why do you always carry this box? What is there inside that box? Open it and show." Now the other governors were very happy and hoping that his secret will be opened today and will be punished. But nothing happened as they were hoping, because when the box was opened, they found nothing but an old blanket. It means other governors were hoping that there may be some treasures and taxes in that box. But when the box was opened, there was only an old blanket. And then the shepherd told the king that this is only his treasure, and it is the best companion and friend for him. This will protect him if his post of governor taken away from him. That's why he always carried that iron box with him. So now, getting the reality and hearing the shepherd's answer, other governors embarrassed and felt shame, and they admitted him honest, wise man in the land. And the king was also very happy with the shepherd's wisdom, honesty and kindness, and appointed him the governor of the bigger district. So you see that shepherd became famous because of his wisdom and humbleness, and even after becoming famous, he remained as humble and kind as he was earlier. So we should also be polite and humble in every situation. This is the summary of this chapter, and I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.